Spousal maintenance is the financial support paid from one spouse to the other when the marriage comes to an end. Sometimes spousal maintenance is paid during the divorce while it's still going on, and sometimes it's only paid after the divorce is filed. Sometimes it's both. You have a few options in this questionnaire. If you choose to waive spousal maintenance in your prenup, you are effectively saying that you both agree not to ask each other for financial support in a divorce. If you choose to waive spousal maintenance or alimony based on time, or to put a time limit in there, you're effectively saying you want to waive spousal maintenance only if the marriage lasts a certain amount of time, or you may want it to increase after a certain amount of time. You may be comfortable paying more alimony the longer you're married, or maybe if the marriage lasts a certain period of time, you want alimony to end altogether after the marriage has been going for 20 years or longer. If you choose to waive spousal maintenance based on children, you're saying that you want to waive spousal maintenance only if you do not have children. If you have kids, alimony is still on the table. Some people may want this option because one person might become a stay-at-home parent and need support in the future. And of course, this is separate and apart from child support. And again, you cannot put child support provisions that would be enforceable in a prenuptial agreement. The court always has the right to address child support, despite what the parties might agree on ahead of time. If you choose to do no waiver of spousal maintenance, you are leaving it up to a judge or jury to decide if alimony should be paid during a potential divorce proceeding in Georgia. If you're unsure what's right in your situation, ask an attorney through our add-on support in your account.